How to hide contacts on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can hide contacts on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So under WhatsApp, there is no direct built-in feature that's gonna hide your contact on WhatsApp. But what you can do is you can move the contact into archive. So for that, you have to tap and hold of the contact on your chat page that you want to hide. For example, I have this contact right here, so all you have to do is tap and hold on it. And if you navigate to top right corner, just in front of three dot icon, there is a small icon that is for archive. All you have to do is tap on archive. Now once the chat is moved to archive, the chat is now hidden from your chat page. In order to find your archive chat, you have to scroll all the way to the end, and there you have to tap on archived, and under this you will be able to find your contacts. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.